Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions based on ancient history that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. One of the following Indus Valley sites is in Pakistan. A. Lothal, B. Harappa, C. Kalibangan, and D. Alamgirpur. The correct answer is Harappa. Harappa is an archaeological site in Punjab, Pakistan. The site takes its name from the modern village located near the former course of Ravi River. Harappa contained the ruins of Bronze Age fortified city, which was part of the cemetery, age culture and the Indus Valley civilization center in Sindh and the Punjab. Question number 2. Which area of India was known as Avantika in ancient times? A. Awadh, B. Ruhelkhand, C. Bundelkhand, and D. Malwa. The correct answer is Malwa. Ujjain, Avanti or Avantikapuri is an ancient city of the Malwa region in central India on the eastern bank of Sipra river, today part of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3. The word Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India were taken from A. Upanyas, B. Samaved, C. Rigved, and D. Ramayana. The correct answer is Upanyas. Satyamev Jayate is a mantra from the ancient Indian scripture Mundaka Upanyas. Upon independence of India, it was adopted as the national motto of India. It is inscribed Devanagari script as based on the national emblem. The emblem and word Satyamev Jayate are inscribed on one side of Indian currency. Question number 4. Which metal was first used by Vedic people? Option A. Silver, B. Gold, C. Iron, and D. Copper. The correct answer is copper. The Vedic people first used copper, which was called ayaj. Iron was used later around 1000 BC. The Vedic people used copper during the Rig Veda period. Question number 5. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial bricks dockyard? A. Lothal, B. Harappa, C. Kalibangan, and D. Mohenjo-daro. The correct answer is Lothal. Question number 6. Which one of the following coins was issued in silver during the Gupta period? A. Kakini, B. Rupeka, C. Niska, and D. Dinar. The correct answer is Rupeka. The silver coins issued during the Gupta period were called Rupeka. These coins were based on sakas of Ujjaini, weight 32 to 36 grams. Question number 7. The last Buddhist king who was a great Sanskrit scholar and a writer was A. Kanishka, B. Asoka, C. Harshvardhana, and D. Bimbisara. The correct answer is Harshvardhana. Harshvardhana was a Buddhist king, scholar, and a writer who ruled over the Indian subcontinent. He was prolific Sanskrit writer and poet and is known for its contribution to Sanskrit literature. He wrote 3 plays in Sanskrit, namely Ratnavali, Priyadarshika, and Naga Nanda. Question number 8. Where did Lord Buddha breathe his last? A. Bodh Gaya, B. Kushinagar, C. Sarnath, and D. Varanasi. The correct answer is Kushinagar. Lord Buddha breathed his last in Kushinagar, a city in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. The death of Buddha is known as a Mahaparivarana. which is the final stage of liberation in Buddhism? Question number 9. Lothal is a site where the dockyard of which of the following civilizations were found? A. Indus Valley, B. Mesopotamian, C. Egyptian, and D. Persian. The correct answer is Indus Valley. Question number 10. Which of the following is not one of the animals carved on the Sarnath pillar? A. Humbled bull, B. Deer, C. Elephant, and D. Horse. The correct answer is deer. Question number 11. Pushkalavati was the capital of which of the following ancient kingdom? A. Kausal, B. Kasi, C. Magad, and D. Gandhar. The correct answer is Gandhar. Question number 12. Where was the world's largest monolithic statue of Buddha being installed? A. Bamiyan, B. Hyderabad, C. Kandy, and D. Lhasa. The correct answer is Bamiyan. The world's largest monolithic statue of Buddha was the Bamiyan Buddhas in Afghanistan. The statue was carved into the cliff face in Bamiyan Valley in the 6th century. They were about 175 feet tall. The statue were destroyed by the Taliban in 2001. Question number 13. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year A. 1905, B. 1921, C. 1931, and D. 1942. The correct answer is 1921. The Harappa civilization was discovered in 1921 at the Harappa, Pakistan. The civilization is also known as the Indus Valley civilization. The Harappan civilization was discovered by the Daya Ram Sahni, Rai Bahadur, Madho Saraf Vast, and Sir John Herbert Marshall. Question number 14. Who were the first to issue gold coins in India? A. Kushan, B. Tatras, C. Mughals, and D. Aryans. The correct answer is Kushan. The Kushan were the first to issue gold coins in India. The Kushans were originally from the western China and were also known as the Yuchasis. The Kushanas minted gold coin in the three categories: double dinar, dinar, and Qatar dinar. Question number 15. The tax which the king used to collect from the people in the Vedic period was called A. Vidatha, B. Varman, C. Bali, and D. Kara. The correct answer is Bali. Bali was the tax that was collected during the Vedic period. This tax was usually collected in the form of portion of agricultural produce or as a tribute from conquered territories. Question number 16. Who among the following Mughal rulers has been called the Prince of Builders? A. Akbar, B. Shahjahan, C. Jahangir, and D. Babur. The correct answer is Shahjahan. Shahjahan is known as the Prince of Builders and is considered one of the greatest builders in Mughal history. He was the fifth Mughal Empire, ruling from 1628 to 1658. He built many monuments including the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and Jama Masjid and the Moti Masjid. Question number 17. Name the kingdom which first used elephants in war. A. Kosala, B. Magad, C. Champa, and D. Avanti. The correct answer is Magad. The Magad kingdom in ancient India was the first to use elephants in large-scale warfare. King Bimsara, who ruled around 543 BC, was a strong supporter of war elephants. Question number 18. The coins of which of the following reveal their love for music? A. Mauryas, B. Nandas, C. Cholas, and D. Guptas. The correct answer is Guptas. The coin of Gupta Empire reveal their love for music. The coins often depict musicians playing instruments like the flutes, drums, and veena. The Gupta Empire was known for its patronage of the art including music. Question number 19. Which museum houses the largest collection of Kushan sculptures? A. Mathura Museum, B. Bombay Museum, C. Madras Museum, and D. Delhi Museum. The correct answer is Mathura Museum. The Mathura Museum is home to large collection of Kushan sculptures which were created during the Kushan Empire rule from the 1st to 3rd century CE. The museum was founded in 1874 by Sir F.S. Groves, the collector of the Mathura district, Uttar Pradesh, India. Question number 20. Who started the Saka era, which is still used by the government of India? A. Vikramaditya, B. Kanishka, C. Samundragupta, and D. Asoka. The correct answer is Kanishka. The Saka era is believed to have been started by King Kanishka in 78 AD. However, recent research suggests that the Kanishka actually ascended the throne in 127 CE. The Saka era is one of the several calendars used in India, including the Vikram Samvat calendar and the Hijri calendar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.